Welcome to our drone journey over Ayia Napa, Cyprus, a coastal gem where golden beaches meet vibrant nightlife and ancient history blends seamlessly with modern luxury. From the azure waters of Nissi Beach to the striking sculptures of the open-air park, this aerial tour captures the essence of a destination that offers both relaxation and adventure. Ayia Napa, situated on Cyprus's southeastern coast, has evolved from a modest fishing village into a bustling resort town with a population of approximately 3,000 residents. Its name originates from a monastery built around a cave where an icon of the Virgin Mary was discovered, leading to the name Ayia Napa, meaning holy forest. Today, the town is renowned for its tourism industry, boasting hundreds of hotels and apartments and attracting visitors from all over the world with its rich heritage, spiritual roots, and modern energy. From the sky, Ayia Napa's architectural diversity comes alive. The town features a striking mix of traditional whitewashed houses, many with flat roofs and blue accents, and modern villas with clean lines, glass facades, and private pools. The newly developed Ayia Napa Marina adds a touch of luxury with its upscale apartments and sleek yachts. This architectural blend not only reflects the town's historical roots and contemporary aspirations, but also offers a visually stunning experience for drone-based travel lovers. The streets of Ayia Napa are a lively mix of culture and entertainment. Nissi Avenue, the heart of the town, buzzes with activity, lined with restaurants, bars, boutique stores, and beachwear shops. Whether you're exploring during the day or enjoying the nightlife, the town's walkable and well-lit streets ensure a welcoming atmosphere for every kind of traveler. As the drone glides over the coastline, the beauty of the sea view becomes undeniable. Ayia Napa's beaches, like Nissi Beach and Makronissos Beach, showcase soft white sands and dazzling turquoise waters that gently fade into deep blue. These shores are ideal for swimming, sunbathing, and water sports, offering both family-friendly spots and areas for vibrant beach parties. The calm, clear waters also make Ayia Napa a paradise for snorkeling and diving. Beyond the beaches, the rugged coastline reveals one of Ayia Napa's most captivating natural features, the sea caves. These limestone formations, carved over centuries by waves and wind, form dramatic arches, narrow tunnels, and open caverns along the edge of the cave. Popular spots like the Lover's Bridge and the sea caves near Cape Greco are often featured in drone footage as they showcase nature's raw artistry. The cliffs and rocks here are popular for hiking, photography, and even cliff diving. During golden hour, the sun casts a warm glow on the rocky surfaces, making the landscape look almost surreal from above. A visit to Ayia Napa wouldn't be complete without a stroll through the Ayia Napa Sculpture Park. Set on a hill overlooking the sea, This open-air museum features over 200 large-scale sculptures created by artists from around the world. With paths winding through stone artworks and views stretching across the coast, the park is both a cultural landmark and a tranquil escape, where creativity meets the Mediterranean breeze. Whether seen through the lens of a drone or experienced on foot, Ayia Napa offers a multi-sensory escape into nature, history, and artistry. We hope this aerial tour has inspired you to discover the many facets of Ayia Napa, a place where land and sea, past and present, blend beautifully into one unforgettable destination.